Hey everyone, it's your favorite pick instant back again with another exciting video for you all. In this one, I'm going to be giving you my top 5 best true wireless earphones under $100 that are currently available on the market. These products have either helped me a lot in my business or just appeal to me personally. So without further ado, let's get started. Please check out the description below and all of our products that we've included with their respective buy links. At number 5. Sony WF-C 500. With an ever-firmament of wireless buds, Sony C500 is an ordinary Joe in almost every way apart from upcoming battery life. Such buds provide a massive 10 hours of music playback, far beyond trebling opponents like Pixel series. These best earbud brands also have a comparatively elegant, if skillfully crafted, style, medium resistance to water, and a proper fit that allows you to wear those for a significant portion with that sturdy battery capacity. In almost all other ways, however, such earpieces are unremarkable. They lack modern amenities such as noise cancellation and transparency mode, which we've grown to expect at about this price level. You can also omit a slew of functionalities from Sony's headset phone app. You'll get such a multi-band EQ, as well as some extras such as Sony's 360 realistic playback. Several viewers could recognize being on the spot throughout most of their music, particularly if you enjoy rock music and audible measuring instruments. The sound efficiency does have some stunning depth. However, it does get a little strong in the top lists, preventing those from surpassing our list solely on audio performance for their price category. If everything you need is a basic listening feeling from comparatively fashionable earpieces, the C500 affordable Bluetooth earbuds will not disappoint. However, whether you're searching for extra features, mainly ambient noise configurations, you'd be better off going anywhere else. At number 4. Soundcore. We did not think the Life. 2 best quality Bluetooth earbuds would match a first brief look. Even so, in checking, their contoured, coral air wings suit very well. The right match was amongst the more enormous air wings that fell from overmetallization, which enabled the earpieces to begin charging. They would not start charging if we didn't notice it as they were away. The case includes a large battery, it should last around 12 costs. The battery capacity is adequate, with an asserted 8-hour run time that matches what we measured. They are IPX5 licensed, which means that there's no dust opposition, and they must not be submerged, but sprinkling water should be fine. Ultimately, the best TWS earbuds under 100 efficiency are inadequate. The incredible intensity of the Life. 2 has slightly much more sparkle that can be faintly annoying. But unlike Liberty, the same. 2 cannot be connected to Anker's widget to change it. The cost, on the other hand, is fantastic. At number 3. JLab Go AirPop. The Go AirPop is simple to link. The linkage to strong. Although the audio isn't going to wreck someone aside, it would ensure access for hearing music and webcasts in various situations. As one would expect, both earpiece fittings and the case have a cheap feel, so, sure, those who seem to be. And it's also a deceptively set of outcomes that fits seamlessly in the pocket. Throughout battery life, the earplugs lasted the entire 8 hours of playtime in test results, which is comparable to or better than many most fantastic in the type of music. There seem to be no additional features such as inductive charging, automatic off, or a devoted widget for classier features like tracking your missing buds. The regulations of 100 wireless earbuds are friendlier laid out, with touchscreens on the edges enabling you to pause/play, change the volume, and bypass tracks. You can even use the touchscreens to connect a few basic EQs to enhance the beat. You could use one or even both headphones simultaneously, as with most earplugs such times, and they have IPX4 water resistance. Whether you and a cherished one want to discover the field of entirely wireless earbuds on a strict budget, JLab's Go AirPop seems to be delightfully cost-effective and astonishingly well-stocked. At number 2. Sennheiser CX400BT. Such top-rated Sennheiser true wireless earbuds, which are presently accessible for $96 at the date of publishing, come with a range of earpieces. Because you can find the correct dimensions for a far more pleasant audio experience, yet if you want them for task or to hear the newest season of your favorite talk show, Sennheiser dedicates to creating high-quality audio equipment. All these buds are designed with music lovers in imagination, with customizable audio configurations and a powerful battery that its label claims can last a minimum of 20 hours once charged up. In a nutshell, you'll don't have to trim the live sessions any longer. The CX400BT True Wireless is for those who appreciate immersing themselves in a lengthy music library, an elegant audio version, or a heartfelt voice call. They are available in white and black and get ergonomically designed for all-day convenience. If you want to listen to soothing music or exciting surpasses, the CX400BT True Wireless AirPods under 100 bespoke operators achieve maximum audio with heavy bass, organic midfielders, and evident mid-range frequencies. Furthermore, you could personalize your audio experience only with Smart Control widget, which allows you to experiment with created equalizers for even better audio. At number 1. JLab Epic Air. An over-loop design is a vital purpose for all of this. It's smooth silica that's never bothered us, and it fits snugly also with goggles. Several people dislike this aesthetic, but it provides a more tight seal than any alternative, still never worried that they'd drop out and become trapped. The loops aren't detachable, however, the Epic Air Sport with various soft silicone tip choices and a delightful adhesive tip. The battery performance was mildly below what advertised. We assessed around 13 HRS/charge, especially in contrast to JLab's lawsuit of 15, but it's still a long time for true Bluetooth earbuds. You'll get very little battery performance unless you assist with functionalities like noise cancellation. It is pretty mild of noise cancellation, as are all the NC options now. Furthermore, having it also doesn't upset. The Epic Air Sport ANC Best Earbuds under 100, like the vast bulk of relatively new true wireless earpieces, come with an adjustable disclosure mode called Be Aware, which allows you to listen to your surroundings in high-density areas. The case is slightly bigger than most in this group, also contains a massive battery, which provides about 3.5 extra charges. It comes with a USB cord, which can be a plus or a disadvantage based on your equipment. More notably, it has wireless charging, which would be a nice feature. We hope you loved the video and please tell us which products we should review next in our comments section. Thank you for spending time on our video. Please remember that there are links in the description of all products shown today.